Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials running. Install the Iriun server on your computer and the Iriun app on your phone. Once done, make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network or plug the phone via USB and enable tethering for a stable link. Next, open the server and allow it through your PC firewall so packets aren't blocked. Close competing camera applications that can grab the device. Now look for the phone in the server's device list and wait for the connection to begin. Now focus on configuration. Check that your PC's webcam drivers are current and that Windows or Mac OS camera permissions allow Iriun access. In the program you want to use Zoom, Teams, OBS, explicitly choose the Iriun Webcam as the video source and set the desired resolution to avoid auto fallback. If discovery fails, change the server port in Iriun settings, temporarily disable VPNs and strict network filters, and retry. If Wi-Fi latency is the issue, switch to USB tethering for a direct, reliable connection. To finalize, restart your phone and computer to clear hung processes and then run Iriun server as administrator to ensure permissions. If the camera still won't connect, reinstall the server and mobile app to reset corrupt settings. After reinstall, open the server log for error messages and confirm the app isn't blocked by antivirus or firewall rules. Allow both TCP and UDP traffic if required. One key troubleshooting tip: switch to a USB connection and test Iriun there. If that works, the problem is network related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.